Yo, what's up YouTube, in a new video with DEKO. Before we get started, don't forget to click on subscribe and like and share this video anywhere. And if you want to work with me, I will put my accounts in description. If you want to get service like mix and master or beats or any kind of music, even if you want some presets or good loop kits or sample packs, you can contact me in description on WhatsApp, on Instagram, or Facebook. I will let you listen. After that, I will explain how I did this.
I got no time to call you baby, yeah. But I see you fine, so I am grateful. But I still love you, baby, yeah. But I got jealous on you.
Okay, this is the project. The first thing that I did right here is this, the melody from Keyscape, okay, piano. I played this on the MIDI keyboard, then I recorded it, and this effect is a low effect like rain in the background with some from the Nexus different sound. Some effect. After that I did the mix right here. I put it on the insert. After that I put some plugins to make it fit with the track. Right here the RC20 and the parametric EQ, then halftime to make it a little bit slow, and right here the compressor from FabFilter Pro C2, and I choose that one. Piano 10 tons of weight. After that the FabFilter Saturan to make it clear, and the effect rock. This is like reverb, but it's a different one. And this sound I put right here on the Nexus, just the equalizer and the Saturan. This is from Arcade, some vocals. If you want to get any VSTs of this, you can contact me, and just with a good prices. And this is 808 with the piano. This is a really good one. And this one I took it from the Contact. I made it by myself, but after that, because the Contact was too heavy on the CPU on the program, because that was a good VST, but I took it as a wave. Then I used it right here. Here with some drums, some 808s, some percussions, open hat right here. Then yeah, I finished the beat, and this part of the song in Arabic, but this part I recorded this part in English. Okay, so let's listen. Before I show it to you, I gotta explain the drums.
I got no time
This is a kick. just I controlled the level and the hi-hat parametric EQ like this, and soft tube, and the clap controlled just the level, and another one right here, Saturn sound equalizer. This is 808. Okay, and this is the open hat. So yeah, let me show you the vocals.
Got no time.
First thing, this is the ad-libs, like to fit with the melody, like pick it better.
I got
This is our in sync. This after. First thing here is the auto tune from Waves Tune on that shape, on these numbers, okay. After that, the parametric EQ2 with that shape, and compressor. This is the best compressor ever you can use, and the fresh air, make it clear, you know, and soft tube, some distortion because this is ad-libs, and the limiter, then hardcore. This is like electric plugin, and the Vrala vintage verb, some reverb.
I got no time.
This one
to call you baby.
on this,
Baby.
like a little plugins right here, auto tune, equalizer, CLA, compressor, fresh air, soft tube,
Yeah.
and connected with a reverb insert and another one for vocals. Yes, right here, the equalizer right here, soft tube, Saturn, OTT, everything right here. Some compressor,
I got no time.
and this is the
to
result.
call you baby.
Before,
Baby. Yeah. But I see you fine. So
something in the background.
grateful.
It's different
But
stuff.
I still love you.
Vocal doubler
Baby.
right here, vocal doubler and harmony plugin.
Baby.
Commentaries,
But I got jealous on you.
and another one
On you.
with drip, track. Those plugins. So this is it.
But I still love you.
So yeah, if you recorded a good vocal, absolutely you will make a good mix. This is just if you know how to mix vocals, okay? If you don't know, you will get like a dry one, and this will be not good. But you gotta learn how to mix it, or you should send it to anyone who knows how to mix. So yeah, if you want to work with me, I will put my account in the description. So this is a video. I'm DEKO from DEKO 2 channel. Peace.